Let's have a look at the cutoff switch inside the car. It's basically the exact same switch that's on the back, and that's Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Paul. Today we're going to look at old school versus new school technology in regards to the cutoff switch in your car. We'll talk about some of the pros and cons, and then we'll have a look at how mine is set up. So let's go. So when I refer to old school, two cutoff systems really come to mind. You got your old school, your lever type cutoff switch, and then you got your rod push-in style. When I started building this car, I actually did the old school lever style. I've done numerous setups like that in the previous. That's what I knew, right? So you always go with what you know, with what you're comfortable. And then things changed. The build went a little bit different direction, and actually, it was PSP, my builder, that introduced me to this new style LED cutoff switch. So I was kind of like, I wasn't sure at the beginning, to be honest, because I was like, the car's already set up with the lever style cutoff switch. So why should I change it over? But then after I thought about it and some of the advantages of it, I made the switch. So let's go have a look at the new setup. This is the new style LED cutoff switch. It's a push button. Press the button, it lights up, indicates there's power to the car. Inside the trunk, we basically have a circuit breaker here that's connected to a voltage regulator here. And of course, it's all being fed from our battery. Those are just my trickle charge wires there, so disregard all that. But the system is basically self-protected. If it senses too much current, it's going to act like your home electrical system, and the breaker is going to pop. And I can manually manipulate that, which is this little button here. And I've just killed all the power to the car. I really like this circuit breaker feature. It's essentially protecting your car while the power is on. But the best part of the whole system for me is that not only do you have a power switch here, but you also have a corresponding power switch inside. I'm hoping you guys can see the red glow here. Of course, they work together. So when I hit the one at the back here, the one inside goes off. That to me sold me on the system. Let's have a look at the cutoff switch inside the car. It's basically the exact same switch that's on the back, and that's the beauty of it being mounted in here. What we've already talked about. Number one, you hop in the car, you've forgotten to pop the lever on the back, but we can simply do it from inside now. Push it. There we go. We got full power. And I would say the second advantage to that is also safety. You get into an accident or whatever the case is, you can simply cut off all the power to your car right there at your fingertips. It's just that easy. All right, to wrap things up, I hope you guys enjoyed the comparison. Just to reiterate, nothing wrong with the old school cutoff switch. It works. But I hope I've shown you that the new style system definitely has some advantages. I really like the circuit breaker feature. It's protecting your car while the power is on. And I really like the capability of being able to power the car on and off from the driver's seat. And otherwise, you guys know what to do. Give the video a like, drop in a comment, smash the subscribe button. Appreciate you guys watching our videos. Appreciate the support, and we'll see you again here on Paul the Fox.